Welcome to Food Dealing. Today, we're making Iranian Samosa. First, we need 2 medium onions. Chop the onions very finely for the best texture. Next, grab 150 grams of fresh parsley for flavor. Chop the parsley finely to release its aroma. Mash 3 cooked potatoes until smooth. Fry the chopped onions in hot oil till golden. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, chili, thyme, garlic, coriander, and salt. Fry spices with onions to blend the flavors. Mix in the mashed potatoes with the spiced onions. Add chopped parsley to the mix and stir well. Cut lavash bread into 10 centimeters wide strips for wrapping. Place filling on one end of lavash strips and spread. Fold into triangles, following my technique. Fry samosa in hot oil till golden and crispy. Fry each side for about 3 minutes for the perfect crunch. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Your Iranian samosa is ready. Enjoy your meal. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.